If you've got a budding new dental practice, it's important to consider you can hire so many different types of employees before you get started. You can hire a temp or an independent contractor or a full time employee. When you're trying to decide who you hire, it's important that you have an understanding that an independent contractor or temp versus an employee have different legal requirements. You can't be the one to decide if they're an independent contractor or a temp. It's your state and really the law that decides who is what. I see a lot of business owners in many different healthcare spaces have a lot of trouble deciding that. Here's a practice tip. If you go on your state's unemployment page and workers' rights pages, you will find probably some bullet points or maybe even a pamphlet that will outline how your state defines an independent contractor versus employee. You might say, why does this matter? Why is this important? Because if you misclassify an employee, you will get fined. That's why I say it's not you who makes the decision, it's your state. I get calls every once in a while from an employee who has been fired who says, well, I'm owed all this money because I believe I'm an employee. I'm not an independent contractor. I'm not a temp. I have rights, and employees do have rights. They also have a right to collect unemployment. I say this to say that cleaning up your HR related to your practice is incredibly important for you to be successful. Whether you have a dental practice or a medical practice, making sure that you don't misclassify your employees can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars and potentially very costly litigation. Employees who are fired are calling many attorneys to determine their rights. Don't have them call about you. You might think you're trying to save. You might think that you're smart and it's not an issue. It is an issue when you get served a lawsuit, or it'll be an issue when you get served a state fine. You have employees and you're hoping that you classify them the right way, but you just want somebody to check. You want to go back and fix it. Why don't you reach out to us here at DK Law Group? We can help determine what your employee is and how we can strategize to fix it if they're misclassified and what you have to do to change your course. Thanks so much. Bye.